my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Happy New Year to you all. I hope it's off to a very good start for you guys. I hope you're all well and fit. Now in today's video guys, I just wanted to bring some winter looks for you guys. I'm going to be doing sort of a styling what I would wear on a typical winter's day, whether it's in the daytime or in the evenings for going out. I just wanted to give you a few looks, not too many, but I want to give you a few looks so that you can be inspired by them, or they might be ideas if you're looking for inspiration. Now I'm going to kickstart my first outfit and I hope you like the looks, so let me know. See you guys soon. Okay guys, so this is the first look. All right, so I'm wearing this nice cable, I think it's like cable knit jumper with the v-neck, and then of course I've paired it with these coated trousers which fits really nicely. I think these are from the ASOS brand and they will definitely keep your legs nice and warm. I've paired them with these tanned boots as well, so this is one of the looks guys. All right guys, so when it's feeling really cold outside, of course you need a warm coat. So this is what I would wear to complete the look, and of course a scarf. This is so nice and soft and warm. This is from Amazon, so I put that around, keep my neck warm. You can, you know, do the scarf however you like really, but I just wrap it around my neck a few times. But yeah, this is what I would wear on a, hang on, what's going on? Have I done that right? This is what I'd wear on a cold evening, something like that. Bam, bam, bam. Nice warm coat. Got pockets, of course, quite roomy. Then it's got the neck area, the collar. It's got the faux fur. Okay. And next up we have this black number, because of course you have to wear black because it's winter. You don't have to, but you know, black is quite the color for winter. Okay, so we've got this black dress I got from Asda George. It's got the slits at both sides, guys. And then to keep, obviously it's long sleeve as well, so that will definitely keep you warmer. And then I've got these thermal gloves I got from Amazon. These are so amazing guys. They're soft, and guess what, you can use your phone. Yes, you can use your phone when you're wearing these gloves, and they come in a set of 3. You get pink, you get a gray, and you get these black ones, so go ahead and check it out. Okay, but they are really nice. They stretch, so obviously they will fit most hands, but they're really nice and they will keep your hands warm, and you can still use your phone. Okay, check that. So anyways, I've got this poncho which I got for Christmas. I'm just going to go ahead and throw it over the dress to jazz it up, but at the same time to keep my look, you know, to keep me nice and warm. So if you're going out for dinner, or you know, you're going out with the girls or your hubby or whomever, you can wear something like this. It's still sexy, still classy, but it will still keep you nice and warm. I love the addition of the poncho because you can take it off when you get to somewhere warmer. You can take it off. You can also take your gloves off and reveal the nice sexy dress, guys. Check that out. Ooh, I didn't even mention the boots. Oh my goodness, guys, these boots, honey, they are amazing. Okay, these are knee highs and I got these from ASOS. They are very shiny, so it might not be for everybody, but it's okay. You can wear whatever you like. These are just inspirational looks. Now, these boots go really well with this dress because it gets to reveal, you know, at the side there. So this is another look, guys. One of my favorites because, of course, black is a must, okay? And also, peep the little detail right here as well. So cute, and it's got the little keyhole opening there. Very nice, and it was affordable as well on Asda George because I think they were having a sale, and when they have sale, you guys, it's the sales are just out of this world. So go ahead and check them out, Asda George, if you're in the UK, of course. So yeah. And then you have, of course, your more relaxed running errands sort of outfit. I've got this. Let me put these down. I got this Nirvana sweatshirt from Asda George as well. I love it. It's super soft and super warm, you guys. Oh my goodness. You layer this with I'm going to layer that with my bomber jacket. And this bomber jacket is also very warm. So this is a more relaxed look. Okay. Boom. Boom. Let's show you the rest. And I've got these, I've paired it with these black denims from ASOS and some combat boots. These are quite old, you guys, but they are some of my favorites. So I've layered that, I've paired that, sorry, with my black jeans from ASOS, my bomber jacket, and this oversized Nirvana sweatshirt. Okay, so that's the more laid back, chilled, running errand sort of vibes, or, you know, picking up the kids, going shopping, whatever. And then of course I've got my grab bag here. I don't need sunglasses because it's not sunny, so this is the look for the more, you know, dressed down side of things. Okay. This is quite an oversized t-shirt, sweatshirt, you guys, and I do like oversized sweatshirts because I feel like they keep me warmer. But this is the look. Just tucked it in. So another dress, guys. This is also a lovely sweater dress from ASOS. So soft, so warm. Key words to me: soft, warm, comfortable. Okay. If they don't tick those boxes for me, I don't want them. So this dress is very soft. The material is really good, and I love, as I said, I love detailed dresses. So this detail right here, it just did it for me, guys. And then I'm going to show you something else. Okay, the dress has slits at the sides. Usually I'd wear some tights or stockings, as some people call it, but I didn't feel like doing it for the video. But usually I would wear some tights because obviously my legs are going to get cold. But for the purpose of the video, I didn't want to wear any tights or stockings. So obviously when I wear this dress out, I will be wearing a pair of tights. And I've got this coat right here that I got from AX Paris a couple of years ago. Very warm, guys. Add that to the dress and boom. And then I have these ankle boots on. They don't really go. I wish I had like a pair of, you know, a color like this, but never mind. Black goes with everything. So I've got these ankle boots on, and your girl is ready. Okay. Love this dress, guys. And oh, I also have the jumper in this dress. It shows you how much I love this dress. So yeah. So guys, these are all the looks I have for you today. Do let me know which one was your favorite. Honestly, you can dress them up or down. Just do what makes you comfortable and makes you feel warmer in the colder months. I absolutely love what I chose, guys. They're quite warm. You can always layer, like put like a tank top underneath these outfits like this, for example, to make it warmer. But this in itself is quite a warm sweatshirt. So yes, I am good for, you know, for the winter months. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what was your favorite. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and let me know what you'd like to see for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Turn the notifications on now. I'm watching you. Yeah, go ahead. Yes, thank you for watching.